Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and as you can see, after taking a look at this option bar at the top, we've got the timer icon on the second position from the left. So all we have to do is to tap on it, and as you can see, we've got 3 more options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the one you'd like to set. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon will change slightly to indicate that you've got the timer set. And all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, of course, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can always turn it off just by tapping on the timer icon and tap on this crossed out timer or icon. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.